Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for July 24th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair did close up on Friday, broke the previous session's low by a little bit, but did pull up to close up. We are looking for this pair overall to be moving to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 79.09, possibly as low as 77.60. Look for some resistance around 78.75, and look for some support around 77.75. Now, the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed up on Friday, did move pretty high to the, pretty strong to the upside on Thursday, closed down on Friday. Look for it to potentially go as high as 145.09, possibly as low as 142.43. Look for some resistance around 144.95, and look for some support around 142.83. This pair did gap a substantial amount, about 20 pips at the open of the session. It has already filled that gap. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down on Friday. It gapped as well, gapped up. It has filled that gap already. We are looking for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 163.50, possibly moving down and hitting support around 162.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up on Friday, had a pretty strong move to the upside, but pulled back significantly prior to the close, moving sideways overall. It did gap down 61 pips. We are looking for that to retrace. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.8292, possibly as low as 0.8021. Look for some resistance around 0.8175, and look for some support around 0.8085. Alright, now we don't have any significant news being released during this next session, so you may be asking, what am I looking for during this next session for a potential trade? Well, we have two windows of opportunity that could be triggered during this next session. The first one is in the the Euro-USD. If it moves down to this point, it's already moved there once. If it breaks through it, we could get some strong move further down for about 40 pips, then look for it to move on down about 85 pips. So if it breaks the Friday's session's low, look for it to move lower. Now the pound US dollar pair, pretty similar trade. Looking to take out Friday's low and looking for it to come back to this session's high. Basically looking to grab roughly about 68 pips on this. This is real close to a 0-0 mark, so when we get if this thing does move lower down to this point, look for it to short, but when we get close to the 16200 mark, you may want to tighten up your stop, move into profit, because we could find some support there, and it may not make it all the way down to the 161.92 mark. So just to clarify that, make sure to keep an eye on this one. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.